Hello friends, my name is Abdul Karim. Just kidding. Today we're going to talk about an app that lets you earn money while you walk. Runtopia turns your every step into money. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First, download the app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Runtopia. Once you find the app, download it. It's free. After downloading, open the app. Create your profile. Enter your name, email ID, and password. You can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Your profile is created. Now it's time to earn money. Runtopia tracks your every activity. Open the app and choose an activity. The app will track your distance, time, and calories burned. The more active you are, the more money you earn. So, grab your running shoes and let's go. Now you must be wondering how Runtopia pays you. So friends, Runtopia gives you sports coins, which is the app's virtual currency. You earn sports coins for every activity. The more distance you cover, the longer you work out, and the more calories you burn, the more sports coins you earn. You can later redeem these sports coins for exciting rewards. Not just by walking and running, Runtopia gives you even more ways to earn money. You can earn sports coins by participating in daily tasks and challenges. By completing these tasks, you can increase your earnings. Runtopia also hosts special events and contests. In Runtopia, you can also set fitness goals for yourself. For example, you can set a goal to lose 5 kilograms in a month or prepare for a marathon race. When you achieve your goals, Runtopia gives you extra sports coins as a reward. This keeps you motivated and helps you achieve your fitness goals. The most fun way to earn money is with your friends. And Runtopia gives you this opportunity too. You can invite your friends to join Runtopia. When a friend joins Runtopia through your referral link and starts using the app, both you and your friend get bonus sports coins. So hurry up and invite all your friends to join Runtopia and double your earnings. Friends, always remember, consistency is the key. To earn well from Runtopia, it is important that you are regular. Try to do some activity every day, even if it's just a short walk. The more active you are, the more sports coins you will earn. You can also use Runtopia's social features to keep yourself motivated. You can connect with your friends, see their progress, and cheer them on. New challenges come up every week in Runtopia. By participating in these challenges, you can further increase your earnings. Challenges have different targets, like covering the most distance in a week or burning the most calories. Winners get exciting prizes, like gift vouchers, gadgets, and even cash prizes. So next time you see a challenge in Runtopia, don't be afraid to participate. Who knows, you might be the next winner. Friends, this is very important. Don't forget to check in every day on Runtopia. You get bonus sports coins for checking in every day by opening the app. These bonus coins help increase your earnings, so don't miss this opportunity. To check in, all you have to do is open the app and click on the check-in button. As I mentioned before, you can earn a good income by inviting your friends to Runtopia. The more friends you invite, the more referral bonuses you will earn. So what are you waiting for? Invite all your friends, family members, and colleagues to join Runtopia. So friends, this was our video today on how to make money with Runtopia. Hope you found this video informative and now you understand how you can turn your every step into money. If you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such informative videos. Thank you.